Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, access calendar by tapping on it. Now you need to just continue over here and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. When you're done, click on this red plus icon at the top right corner, and this way you will create new event. Over here you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, location, starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by tapping on the Twitter next to all day. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours, or days before, and even add attachments. When you're done, you can also take notes over here and save your event by tapping on Add at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to get rid of it, you can always click on it and tap on Delete Event at event at the bottom. Now just delete event and then it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!